So hi friends, UFO is pumping again friends. A lot of pump is here friend. You can see friends, it's going parabolic friend. See the chart of one day friend. This is the chart of one day. It's continuously friend, consistently going parabolic friend. I have already told you since my last 3 videos friend. When the price was at the bottom friend. The price was at the bottom and see the price friend. See the price friend. This is creating the pattern of all-time high. This would touch all-time high, almost touch all-time high 0.4 times 0.24, and it would definitely be converted to 0.01. I expect so, 0.001 within this November, because not much more 100x to this coin, because it is having such a potential friend. Okay guys, so don't miss this one. And if we talk and see the chart of 15 minutes, this is the growth friend. You can see this was a, you can say, in sideways situation for a while, and it started pumping again friend. This is the 5-minute chart. You can see friends, a lot of green lines, they are comparison to red lines, so it is clear that the price is going to be bigger than the all-time high, and its all-time high already told you was 0.4 times 0.25, and it is very close to create new all-time high, that is 0.4 times 0.3. okay, so before this one, let's switch to, I was checking these all friends but not inputting much more money over there, because love UFO. When UFO is doing nice, and a lot of news and events are on the way, so I hope they would do better. See friends, from 0.4 times 0.16 to 0.4 times 0.25 around. I don't know why they are tracking data. Actually they are tracking the data from Uniswap. Yeah, they are tracking directly from uniswap.mxe. That's why this is the reason friend. And all-time high I already told you this one, but all-time high was 0.4 times 0.25 there on an MXE. Okay friends, so don't miss this biggie. On the same time, that is free, I told you earlier, it hit 0.5 times 0.489, and again this one is this, and many new tokens are coming on the way. Tabu token is also pumping, it's on trending, and because of much more fall, that's why. What the reason? Because it's fallen almost 50% plus. That's why friend, people are there, and also many token mana is pumping, and there is also big searching over these coins friend. SIBA is also there, but I don't think much more potential on SIBA because of so much investment, and so many wheels are there. The new people would buy in high, and the old existing people would sell. This is the game theory in SIBA Inu. So I have told you many times my history that I have missed that biggest opportunity, but no issue friend, we would grab another gems. You can see the price is consistently going up, so don't miss such opportunities, huge opportunities. On the other hand friend, I was also finding this one a very good gaming airdrop is going on here. So complete your task, link in the description. There is skill box, they are providing a daily basis task. Lottery system has been over, but you can submit your task and get some points, as I have done here my task and did 9 upon 4 upon 9, actually 4 tasks has been done, and you can get some of the tokens or airdrop from here. Okay friends, so do not forget to join this one. access more. HetraCash is also pumping a little bit, but Flocky is a minus. Flocky is quite minus, friend. UFO hacks fold a lot, friend, a lot. It just lost everyone portfolio, friend, over there. Oh god, what a price. See why? Because of the IDO launching on this one within 4 or 5 days. That's why, friend. If you did not apply, just apply there and watch my previous videos, friend. This is falling now. Free is falling because people are making their profit. People are making their profit. That's why it's falling. Okay, so no issue in that. People must do that, but this is not the time to sell, I think, because many people would do many things. That's why. Okay, so it has been sold out by many wallets. That's why this is the reason of falling. But very soon, I'm damn sure within November to December, it would create its all-time high and touch all-time high. Yeah, not any financial advice, friends. Please do not forget to subscribe if you are existing viewer, as well as if you are a new one, hit the subscription button and bell icon, friend. Thank you very much. See you in the next video, and do not forget to miss this one. And I am searching some other gems to all of you, friends, just like I am searching this one. This is Mini Kishimoto, and I was searching this one, friend. But don't invest in such poor coins. Just invest only $5 to $10 maximum. Only this one. This is the limit because of only 75 members are over there. They started in October and 75 members. So not a big one, but they have been listed on CoinGecko. So this is good. Okay, friends. So this is good. But let's see what the price is and what they are doing, right? Also their white paper, I am going through their white paper and trying to contact the team, friend. This is the NFT, and 1 trillion is the supply. There is not more, and 10% of team and other things. This is so. Okay, friends, so I'm backing to all of you guys, so don't just overlook to me, friend. Subscribe, but this would be available on Uniswap V2 as available was the same for Shiba Inu. This was the reason many people could not buy, because of the fees was very high and instantly it is much more high, friend. If you talk regarding the fee, you can see the fee is, oh god, super blasting. For example, let's check the address of someone. That would be more easier to go directly to actually Etherscan. Yeah, we can directly go to Etherscan and see the holders here and track the transaction, just like this one. This person has taken the transaction, and see the gas fees spent over there. Oh god, see the gas fees spent. Oh god, yeah, it is insane, friend. It is insane. Ethereum and Uniswap both are killing the people, yeah. although it is tax and more secure. But who would pay if I am a very starting person in crypto and want to buy for $10, $50, even $100? I need to pay $191 fee. You can think. And that person bought of 0.25 swap this much amount of this. So good one. I think token is looking quite nice, but it must be listed over different exchanges. Right, friend? So let's see the holder. There are only 340 holder right now, but I think if the project is really genuine and working good, it can also get the track of Shiba Inu, but not the same, but can easily hit 201,000 expand. Easily can go if community is holding and believing, and everything is going very nice. So see you in the next video. I am searching a lot of good gems to all of you guys, and some of could create good and very good benefit. So I have created a very good strategy, and I just invest only $5 to $10. If I'm damn sure I invest $50 to $100 for such a shit coins, but not more than that, because 75% are scams and they can't work. Their believers and team are not good according to me, not any advice. So see you in the next video. Watch this one, this is good one. And also I told you one of the last one, that is a ShibaZilla. You can also go through there. There is a minus something, so you can grab the opportunity for $5 to $10 only, not more than that. Thank you.